Welcome to PC Solutions. In this video I will show you that how to install Windows 2. Prime Minister laptop, let's go. Hold the shift button and restart the laptop through touch or mouse. Remember, don't release the shift button until this blue screen comes. Then insert your window, bootable USB drive and click Use a device. Now click UEFI removable device and then follow me. Here you have to identify your C drive. If you don't know your C drive, cancel all this, restart your laptop in old window and identify it. My C drive is 118 gigabytes, so I will install window. In this, first we have to format. When the format is done, click on that drive again and click Next. Now follow me. Do as I am doing. Here, give your name for your PC. Congratulations, your window is successfully installed. If you liked it, please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thank you.